Hello my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When I want to treat myself, I buy seafood. I love it. From lobster, crab, clam, shrimp and everything in between. But my all-time favorite is scallops. They have such a delicate fruity flavor. I enjoy making sauté scallops with beurre blanc, bay scallop chowder, and others, including this delicious one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my maple ginger scallops. What a dish! It has such a great combination of ingredients without overpowering the delicate flavor of these mollusks. It's very quick and easy to make and the perfect elegant dish to serve on special occasions. So my friends, let's get cooking.
First, we'll pat the scallops dry using paper towels. We don't want to steam them. We want a nice brown crust. By the way, I forgot to put some paper towels on the cutting board, which would have taken me less time to dry them. So note to yourself, place scallops on paper towels. Next, we'll season them with hot paprika. And no, it won't overpower their delicate flavor. Then we'll move on to the stove. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add oil. When it gets hot, we'll place our scallops seasoned side down. Now, if we want a nice sear, the pan has to be hot. Otherwise, they won't cook properly. Alright, when one side is cooking, we'll season the top with, again, hot paprika. So, about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes later, we'll flip them over. If you don't want a rubbery texture, don't overcook them, just like with shrimp. Not even a couple minutes later, we'll transfer the scallops to the serving plates and set aside. Now, we'll reduce the heat to medium and add butter, swirling it around. Next, we'll add ginger and quickly saute it for about 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. To this, we'll add chicken broth and maple syrup. Now, do me a favor and don't cheap out on this ingredient. Get yourself a good quality one. So, we'll stir and cook for a couple of minutes or until the sauce thickens. We're not making a gravy, so it will get slightly thicker. We'll remove from the heat and spoon the sauce on the seared scallops. And for the finishing touch, we'll sprinkle on some finely chopped chives. And my friends, these are our maple ginger scallops. What a tasty and elegant recipe. As you saw in this video, it's very easy and quick to make. Within 15 minutes, you have a delicious meal to serve. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!